What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Brian and welcome back. We're doing a shop card shout out because we got something in the mail yesterday from our good friend Mr. Fred Henry Pappy over at West Georgia Rods and Customs. It's been a while. I've lost the accent, but we got not one, but this is a beautiful card right there, right? Got that one, and then we also got this one. Put the kids in the other room. Got that one right there. And then we also got an awesome little decal. Hi.
Hi. You're in the middle of filming.
I'm in the middle of filming, yes. I'm in the middle of filming.
Hi, everybody.
Mrs. BG, look, we're Gulf Oil today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Right on. What's wrong with that?
It's a good livery to have.
This is true.
But yeah, funny story about this card here. I left it laying on the kitchen table. And our niece, who's staying with us right now, saw that. And she thought that some guy was sending stuff to Linda. So she saw that and she goes, "Oh, Linda, who's this guy?" So it's like, no, it's cool. He's in Georgia. It's okay. No, something else I wanted to show you was this little old. It says here, old gas pump type B single hose. Now I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but I was at my local shop about a week ago. And Dick, who runs Hobby Depot, he was like, "Have you seen this yet?" I'm like, "No, I haven't seen that yet." He goes, "It's from AK, and it's a 124 scale, and it's a classical fuel pump we would have seen from like the 1970s, 1980s, I think." But let's see if you can take a peek in the back there. Yeah, it's a resin piece. It comes it comes with snacks, comes with some peanuts. But we're gonna open this up and take a look at it. All right, so hopefully we don't get too much glare on this, but this is a great little package. I kind of like that. That's the retail price. That's what I paid for it there, plus tax, of course. But like old gas pump. So this is kind of cool. Let's take a look inside and see what we can see. I don't have any fingernails. I cut them all off already. So let's see here. Peanuts, peanuts, peanuts. It's an old song. Whoa, there's so much stuff in here. Okay. Oh, look at that. There's some decals, dassels. Those are awesome. 74 cents a gallon. Yeah, buddy. All right, so let's take a peek at the main. That is nicely done. You might hear Mrs. BG in the background. We have a cat staying with us right now. She is communicating with the cat. This looks really, really nice. It feels like it's a solid chunk. But look at that panel line molding there. It looks like I should be able to pop a razor blade in there and pop that right out, right? It's even got the little key lock right down there. That's really cool looking. That is nice. That is cool. So let's see here. What else fell out? Oh, cool. Instructions. This is something that I usually have a complaint about when you buy resin or 3D printed stuff. Sometimes you don't get instructions and that stuff goes together. But this is cool. So it looks like we have some extra bits here and, of course, the hose. And here oh, look at this. There's a piece of transparent film. 2 pieces of transparent film to put over all the decals there. That's cool. That's cool. Then you can like graffiti those up or scratch them up or however you want. And this nice looking fuel pump handle. Yeah, that's really slick. So this is going to be a fun little addition to a diorama that we want to do, because we want to do our own like BG model. Well, not BG model, but we want to do our own like BG service station, BG service station, something like that, you know. And that's just kind of one of those things that we've always wanted to take care of. So this is going to come in handy in the near future, I hope. Knock on all the woods. But yeah, this was really cool. Nice little find. So let's see here. If there's information on here, if you want to capture that, take a picture of that perhaps. We're going to give you this other side here too. This was the SKU number for the shop that I got it at. No, he does not do mail orders, but yeah, this is just really cool. And I'm hoping they have other stuff in this series because that is just cool. All right, guys, we're going to let you get back to it. We'll talk to you a little bit later on. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.